Hi, in front of me is REALME C21 and today I would like to show you how you can enable and operate one-handed mode on this device. First of all, open Settings and scroll down. Then go into Convenience Tools over here and tap on Navigation buttons. From here you need to click on the switcher next to pull down to enter one-handed mode and follow the instructions. So I have to pull down from the bottom of the screen to enter one-handed mode. When I do that, I can see that one-handed mode is now turned on. If you want to change placement of it, you can click on this icon over here, and if you wish to go back, click on the gray icon at the top right on left corner of this shrink screen. If you want to turn off one-handed mode completely, just click on the switcher. You can also go into Tab menu and click on one-handed mode shortcut to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!